Hello, how are you doing today? Hey, listen, me and my friends, we have debate. Okay, you know those bagels that have the cream cheese on the insides of them?
I have it.
Oh, no, listen, we have like a debate. Okay, the bagels with the cream cheese, are they delicious bagels? They bagelfuls. I have it that the...
Oh my gosh.
And it never stops. No, it never stops.
Kind of figured that.
On holiday.
We're fighting cockroaches. and Terry thinks he bit her. And we're all freaking out. Oh my gosh.
Another protester has crossed the line to find the money's on the other side. Can I get another amen? There's a flag wrapped around a score of men. A keg, a plastic bag, on a monument. I beg to dream and differ from the horror rise. This is the dawning of the rest of our lives.
We're in the bathroom hiding from the popo.
No, we're not.
We're hiding from the cockroach and the crabs.
Yeah.
I think they just. We're still in the bathroom waiting for the popo, the cockroach popo.
Look one more time. It bit me, I swear.
Wait, it curled.
You know it?
It curled and went. Cockroaches
Everyone
can
thinks
bite.
it's
I don't
yes.
care who or what anything can say. Cockroaches.
Girls! Go get your bags, come on.
We're free.
On holiday. The representative from California has the floor. Seek out to the president, gas man. Pumped away is your punishment. Pulverize the Eiffel Towers. Criticize your government. Bang, bang goes a broken glass and kill all the facts that don't agree. Triumph by fire, set in fires. It's not a way that's meant for me.
It's falling, falling. Down to the ground. The rain falls to the ground. Stop.
Just cause because we're alive. I beg to dream and differ from the hollowed eyes. This is the dawning of the rest of our lives. I beg to dream and differ from the hollowed eyes. This is the dawning of the rest of our
Cut.